Today, we're messing with our nearest and dearest. The more you love them, the more fun it is to prank them. Brother versus sister, it's on. Grab a coin and some clear tape. Tape the coin to the faucet. Just a little wake-up call for my dear bro. Hey, Ben. Fully awake?
Why is she so chipper? Damn it. I didn't come here for a shower. I'm getting tired of your little jokes, Zoe. Luckily, I've got a few tricks up my sleeve. Only blood can take out this stain, or some red paint. Don't skimp. Get that faucet nice and covered. Time to enjoy our revenge. Early morning bro pranks really set the tone for the rest of the day, and I'm gonna be having a good one. Oh, he'll be having a good one, all right. Ah, the weekend. No need to rush anywhere. I can finally indulge in peace. Strawberries and whipped cream, anyone? I think my bro Tom would also be down for a snack. After all, he's always stealing my food. Switch the whipped cream out for mayo. Hide it behind the plate. And the rest is pure prowess. Make sure you've got actual whipped cream. We're gonna be using it as bait. So delicious. Fine, you can have some too. Don't forget the whipped cream. You're just too much of a simpleton to appreciate fine dining. Sleep tight, sweet brother. Grow big and strong. Maybe you'll finally grow up. Time to wash up and get dressed. Rise and shine. Good morning, world. Wait a second. What's up with my clothes? Did I sleep for a year and go through a growth spurt? My sister definitely had something to do with this.
You know how when you order pizza, not only do you get a delicious meal in good company, but also an odd number of slices? That always seems to happen. That last slice is always the cheesiest, and no one ever wants to give it up. Especially not my brother. This time, though, it's gonna be mine. Oh, bless you, Natalie. You can finish it off yourself. Thanks, bro. You're the best.
I'll do anything for my lovely sis. Even peeling carrots if it will make her happy. Well, make me happy. Grab your carrot, wash, peel, and carve it into a bar. Figured out where I'm going with this? What about now? Get your carrot nice and chocolatey. Get rid of the excess. And voila! We've got a delicious Snickers bar. Stick it in the wrapper and it's showtime. Hey Zoe, what's up? I've been waiting all day to eat this. You want some? Of course you do. Here you go.
Either the Snickers is older than I am, or my bro just got me again.
You're welcome, sis.
This prank goes out to my favorite sibling. Grab some chocolate spread and get it all over the toilet seat so that it looks, well, super realistic. Give me a minute, please. All done. Go ahead.
Go ahead? More like go backwards. Need to get that image out of my head stat. This should help. You'll need liquid soap and a rubber spider. Stick the spider in the bottle and leave him there to chill. Screw back the lid and the wait begins. She'd better fall for this.
Gonna wash my hands real quick. How did that get there?
Nothing more important than good hygiene.
I think Mike is ripe for something explosive. Balloons ready? And this nail is too. Use double-sided tape to stick them to the wall by the door. Now tape your nails to the door itself. Make sure the nail and the balloon are at the same height. Nice and loud. Now that was a good one. Hey Mike, how you gonna top that?
Oh man, why do boys always take so long to text back?
That's weird. I wasn't expecting anyone. Who's that hottie on the other side? I think my prince has finally arrived. A couple touch-ups and I'm off to meet my dream man. I'm ready. Opening up, my love.
Hey, Sissy Pooh. Didn't recognize me without my glasses? Did my hair throw you off? Hey, where are you going?
This prank is perfect for tea time. Squeeze some shaving cream into the tart. Looks perfectly good to eat. Aw, you got nothing to go with your tea. But I do. Make sure you remember which is which, though.
Ew, what is that? It tastes soapy. Well, sis, I've got something for you, too. Just don't eat too much, or your clothes won't fit.
Aw, come on, bro. I was just kidding. Working with a carrot requires finesse. If you play your cards right, you can turn it into just about anything. Mike's gonna show us how. And here's our lipstick replacement. Cut off the excess and make sure it moves right. Our carrot stick's finally ready. Ready to go in someone's bag. Just gonna throw on some lipstick. What? What's wrong with my lipstick? Wait a second. This isn't lipstick at all. It's a... Thanks, bro. Hilarious and nutritious. I think I'm gonna borrow Mike's razor. If I put it back exactly how I find it, he'll never know, right?
Why is she always using my razor? I've got just the thing to teach her a lesson. Grab a makeup brush, cut the tip and stick it on the razor so it's no longer visible. I bet Natalie will never try to borrow it again. Yep, just what I thought. Sharing my snacks with my sister isn't exactly my favorite pastime, especially if I'm starving. But pranking her sure is. Transfer half the potato chips into a larger bag. Quick, grab the pepper shaker and get the potato chips in the smaller bag, nice and flavored. Use double-sided tape on the inside of the larger bag. Place the smaller bag inside, sticking it to one side. Here you go, sis! Chips and pepper are my favorite treat. And don't forget to wash them down with some invisible water.
That's it for today. Make sure you hit the subscribe button for more ideas for fun. See ya!